Hello everyone and welcome to All Things Flossy. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. So in today's video I made these spicy garlicky shrimps, and these are very good options when you have your home parties during these holiday seasons. Let's get right into the video. In my skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoonful of batter. And I'll be cooking this on the medium heat. I'm adding 5 cloves of grated garlic into my oil. My whole house is smelling like garlic. And you'll mix it all together so it can cook in the oil. Now I'm going to add my shrimps. I use 2 pounds, so I'll be cooking it gradually. So I'll cook one side for about 2 minutes. So this recipe takes about 5 minutes or less. You allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, I'll turn the other side and let it cook as well. Here, I'll add all the other ingredients I have. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, use 1 teaspoon of parsley, and I'll mix it all in. I'll add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'll mix this all together and I'll cook it. When it's cooked, I'll take it off, and in the same skillet I'll add my other half of the shrimp. It's about 1/4 left now. These are great appetizer options. You have this with wine or whatever, and I know you love it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I know you and your guests will love it. Thank you all for subscribing. Until my next video, I hope you love God, I hope you love people, and I hope you stay graced up. Bye-bye, and I love you all so much.